Hello everyone. In management studies, the terms business economics and managerial economics are often synonyms. Both the terms, however, involves economics as a basic discipline useful for certain functional areas of business management. Now, we will try to understand the meaning of economics and managerial economics. Economics studies decision making in view of many wants against scarcity means. Economics is the study of men as they live, behave, move and think in the ordinary business of life. Economics in essence pertains to an understanding of life's principal preoccupation. It is a religion of the day in living for the want satisfying activity. Economics as a social science studies human behavior as a relationship between numerous want and scare means having alternative uses. Economics is a logic of choice. It teaches the art of rational decision making in economizing behavior to deal with the problem of scarcity. Economics is of a significant use in modern business as decision making is the core of business and success in business depends on the right decision. A firm or a business unit faces the problem of decision making in the course of alternative action in view of the constraint set by given resources which are relatively scarce. Managerial economics relates to the managerial decision making in achieving a business goal by using a given business resources in the most effective manner. Managerial economics is essentially applied economics in the field of business management. It is the economics of a business or managerial decisions. It pertains to all economic aspects of managerial decision making. We will try to understand the managerial economics in different angle. Managerial economics in a particular is the study of allocation of resources available to a business or an organization. Business or managerial economics is a fundamentally concerned with the art of economizing, that is making a rational choices to yield maximum return out of a minimum resources and efforts by making the best selection among alternative course of action. Managerial economics is in the true sense is the integration of economic principles with a business management practices. The subject matter of a business economics apparently pertains to an economic analysis that can be helpful in solving business problem, framing of policies and planning. But one cannot make good use of economic theory in business practices unless one masters the basic contents, principles and logic of economics. Managerial economics is a pragmatic. It is concerned with the analytical tools and techniques of economics that are useful for decision making in business. Managerial economics is, however, not a branch of economic theory but a separate discipline by itself, having its own selection of economic principles and methods. In essence, managerial economics rests on the edifice of economics. Knowledge of economics is certainly useful to business people. Businessman or a business manager must know the fundamentals of business economics and economic theories for a meaningful analysis of a business situation. It would be an economic choice, the rational choice towards optimization, to understand and appreciate business decision making in actual practice. Therefore, a sound knowledge of tools of economics is warranted. A course in managerial economics thus provides an understanding of the framework and economic tools needed by a manager or a businessman as an aid to better business decision making. Now we will try to understand the significance of managerial economics. Managerial economics incorporates elements of both micro and macroeconomics dealing with management problems in arriving at optimal decisions. It uses analytical tools of mathematical economics and econometrics with two main approaches to economic methodology involving descriptive as well as prescriptive models. Descriptive models are database in describing and exploring economic relationships of reality in a simplified abstract. Prescriptive models are the optimizing models to guide the decision makers about the most efficient way of realizing the set goal. Managerial economics differs from the traditional economics in one important respect, that it is directly concerned in dealing with real people in a real business situations. Policy executives have to respond to behavioral approach of managerial economics for a better understanding of the day-to-day economy at micro and macro levels in sharpening their logic of choice. Needless to say that the choice is the core of all business problem in general, including economic decision making. The choice has to be professional, efficient and effective. Managerial economics becomes more meaningful when coordinated with other disciplines of management with a broader knowledge, techniques, methods, theories, using a sharp common sense in practical decision making. The significance of a managerial economics is to be traced in the development of business or corporate planning and policy decisions, which are firmly based on a closely argued analysis of all relevant data, evidences and past experiences, present outcomes and future expectations. Managerial economics as an applied economics which deals or helps in analyzing the firm's market, industry trends and macro forces which are directly relevant to the concerned business activity. Knowledge of a managerial economics is of a great help in seeking maximization of the firm's efficiency through the analysis of its operation and their interaction with the external environment. It also guides management by interpretation of that environment in terms which are relevant to the conduct of the concerned business activity and action. It is a fundamentally concerned with the interaction between the internal operation of the business and the business and economic environment, such as marketing, business development, government, business policies, government liaison, investment climate and finance affected by the macroeconomic behavior and policies of the government. Managerial economics, in short, deals directly with the business realities and realizations. Managerial economics deals with a thorough analysis of a key elements involved in the business decision making. For example, if a business manager wants to enlarge his firm's product share in the market, knowledge of managerial economics will help him in determining the size and dimensions of the market with a better understanding of its competitive structure. Further, the technique of economic analysis will assist him in designing the course of action as well as measuring the effectiveness of the decision arrived. Economists in general are usually asked to comment on or to support or to criticize or to provide a solution for allied economic oriented business problem in various industries or trade and commerce. Managerial economics helps the manager to understand the difficulties of the business problem, which make the problem solving easier and quicker, arrived at correct and appropriate decision to improve the quality of such a decision, and so on. A major contribution of managerial economics to management pertains to its guidance for economizing or optimization and identification of key variable in the business decision making process. Knowledge of a managerial economics is a boon to a manager or a businessman or an entrepreneur. In these days of competition and dynamism, it is inevitable for a manager or a businessman to specialize in his business or a management as well as economics of a business to determine and realize the competitive advantage of the firm and the concerned industry to win. Managerial economics is also deals with the practical business problems relating to the production, pricing and sale. These problems are theoretically analyzed by traditional economics. For conceptual understanding and analysis of the relevant business problem, we need to resort to economic theory. For further data-based analysis on practical side, we make use of tools and techniques of decision sciences such as statistics and econometrics. Statistics shows how to collect, summarize and analyze the data. Econometrics techniques are useful in tracing empirical relationships. For example, how much to produce is a business decision. This can be arrived at through demand analysis. For this, we may construct a statistical and econometric demand function, and its estimation gives up a quantitative insight for appropriate decision. Thank you and happy learning.